no Big Horn battle site.
Okay, where is it?
Montana.
Yeah, it's in Montana. Yeah, that's right. Well, the battle site is up there on the hill. We are too late. We can't get in. Oh well, we're here. There's a beautiful grassy hills here. And over here, there's a prairie dog town. The little Big Horn River is down in there. That's the little Big Horn River. There's prairie dogs barking. There he is, right there. This is now the Big Horn Mountains, where we're gonna be for the next few days, are there in the distance. You can just barely make out a snow cap. Well, it's kind of covered in clouds now. But it is pretty though out here. There's these giant dandelions. Hey, you girls want a giant dandelion? Look at these. Giant dandelions.